This is a step-by-step guide to making and maintaining a universal credit claim online. To create your Universal Credit account, you will need to begin by going to the website for Universal Credit Service. That is www.universal-credit.service.gov.uk. This is where you will make your claim after creating your account, which may take up to 30 minutes for a single person and up to an hour for a couple. You will then need to create a username and a password. It is important to make a note of these for future use. You should not share your password or username with anyone else. You will then be asked to answer 2 security questions below that you can choose from. One of these questions will then be used in the future to access your account. You will need to enter details such as your name, date of birth, email address, or mobile phone number. You will then need to select a method of contact, either text message or email. To confirm, a code will be sent to your method of contact that you will then need to enter. If your code has expired, as it does after 1 hour has passed from when you requested the code, you can click on My Code Has Expired link to receive a new one. You will then need to enter your address details. After going through all these steps, you have successfully created your account. You now have 28 days to make your universal credit claim. If you do not manage to make your claim in this period, you will need to create a new account and make a new claim. Click the Make a Claim button to begin. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.